But some of the things that I do talk a lot about, and most of it, even in this ghost and entity class that I will be doing, is bringing in things like neuroscience and physics and wormholes and quantum entanglement, because it is a really important emerging part of the paranormal field. And there is a small handful of people doing any type of serious research. Most of the time it's like, well, if we take this piece of equipment, we do this, is what's going to happen. There's maybe 5%, and I could be very wrong. I think but rather than getting better, I think it's getting worse. We're getting more and more people out there doing this sort of thing. And this is why it was really important for me to start a paranormal studies program and want to continue these types of classes elsewhere in that build, in a sense to educate, to broaden people's perspectives, to make them think outside of the box, and in this case the TV box most of the time, and to start learning that these types of things really do have a very real and valuable part, just as much as anything else that we study, whether it be religion, culture, any type of literature, metaphysics. It all plays an important role. If somebody asked you to define yourself, would you be able to define yourself by saying, I'm evil, or I'm a good person, or I'm only, if you know, could you just say the entire definition of who you are as a person is, I'm a Christian? It's not. There's so many aspects to us, so many that we need to look at, and just how we're made up physically, how our brains work, what our real perceptions are, and so forth.